Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace the batteries for your Black & Diamond Storm 450. And to do this we'll need to look on the back of this flashlight. You should see this lever right here. Simply pull it up like this. Open the flashlight. And inside you'll find that you need 3 batteries. It's AAA type. And now take the battery. It looks like this. There's a plus and minus on each side, so adjust it to the plus and minus shown right here. Let's go with the first one, and let's always start with a plus, so do it like this. First one. Now the second one, and finally the third one. Now we can close the lid, performing same motion as in the beginning, and right here the flashlight should work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.